Artlist.io.
A trapezoidal prism has parallel sides of 5 cm and 9 cm, a perpendicular height of 4 cm, and a length of 15 cm. Calculate the volume. A cylinder has diameter 14 cm and height 8 cm. Find the total surface area in terms of pi. A cylindrical tin has radius 5 cm and height 12 cm. Calculate the curved surface area in terms of pi. A sphere has radius 9 cm. Find the surface area in terms of pi. A sphere has radius 6 cm. Calculate its volume in terms of pi.
Music licensing reimagined.
A square-based pyramid has a base of side 10 cm and a vertical height of 12 cm. Calculate its volume. A pyramid has a rectangular base 8 cm times 6 cm and vertical height 9 cm. Find the volume.
Artlist.io.
A cone has radius 3 cm and slant height 5 cm. Find the total surface area in terms of pi.
Music licensing reimagined.
A solid is made by placing a cone of radius 4 cm and height 3 cm on top of a cylinder of radius 4 cm and height 10 cm. Find the total volume in terms of pi. A hemispherical bowl has inner radius 10 cm. The material is 1 cm thick, making the outer radius 11 cm. Find the volume of material used in terms of pi.
Artlist.io.